Teramugatan. So the other one in the front goes to White, the one on my right that I'm going to turn goes to Kawala, and then the other one comes from Kawente. So this is a dangerous spot. Very dangerous spot. There have been so far 3 accidents in that key junction there, cross junction. Okay, nice man. This is the Kawala area, and this is the bridge of the northern bypass. Early in the morning at about 9 a.m. and also in the evening at about 8 p.m. This bridge here is blocked because the president is always passing on that. The northern bypass. The president is always coming in from his house in Tere. So right here is where it's called the Kawala Kataka, and that's where this guy of the ISP is standing. The Kawala Kataka. And then this here we're approaching the Kawala police station. That's where the Harrier is standing too. So that is the Kawala police station. And then next to it is the KCCA Kawala Health Center. It's a good place for maternity. I think it's one of the best places for maternity. They take good care of the patients, that I know for sure. And then down there is one of the routes for Good Times Kawala Natal. Good Times has 2 sections, the primary section and the nursery section, and that's the one for the nursery. Alright, I wanted to overtake, but the taxi guy is quick to speak, and I couldn't beat the gap. So So good times Kawara was there, the nursery section, and then the boarding section. The primary section is over there in that green. The building you see over there in the green is the primary section of Good Times Kawara. Good Times is common for the Zubairi family. Zubairi family plays. Many of them were acted in the Good Times, and it wasn't as better as it is now, but at least it was recognized. Kawara wasn't so busy at the time, so the one in the green there is the Good Times primary section, and it has been built. So the other one is the boarding, so this one is the school itself. Alright, so we're reaching the Kasubi junction, and going forward will be Nakuravye. On the right will be going to Mengo, and then down will be, on my left will be Chikoni. So I'm going to turn to Chikoni, so let me turn on the indicators that I'm heading to Chikoni. Okay, the lights were orange at the time. These junctions are funny. You find people crossing what the whites call jaywalking. People just cross whether the lights are green or not. Apart from the cars, but motorcycles, well, that's how they have character. Is there a lot of traffic now? Not why is making a U-turn. It's free down there. When riding a motorcycle, even a bicycle, as in it's supposed to be in your body. You know, you just look forward, use the left and the right mirror, and then anticipate. You know, so the head is always forward and also checking on the surrounding areas to anticipate. This here is that area was called Fortune Hotel, and then later on I think the owner or proprietor changed it to a lodge, so it's Fortune Hotel. I think the hotel business wasn't working for him. First of all, it was a ground level, so I don't think you could make a lot of business in hotels and lodges. Then he called it Fortune Hotel. Cutting through. On the right is tapping to road to tapping to hostel and Akamwesi house. Tapping to girls hostel. And then up here is up to the Makerere University. So we just crossing from Kasubi traffic light junction, which was the crossroads junction, and then Makerere University. So this is the Makerere University Chikoni gate. So all that way from Kasubi to Makerere University was called Chikoni, or is called Chikoni. So now I'm on Sir Apollo Kagwa Road, going to the Makerere University traffic light, Makerere Nakurage, or the Sir Apollo Kagwa traffic light. And this is how the traffic is. every morning. But the good thing, the traffic lights let the traffic be moving. It's not stationary. So they are doing some road works, and that is causing more traffic. But at least it's moving. You spend maybe 5 minutes from the university gate to reach to the traffic light. There are also traffic officers there always grabbing cars there. So the other route I left at Truck Pinto lands to this place. Oh, they are constructing a channel. I think they are widening the drainage channel and making it deeper. I'm in gear number 2 here. I'm holding the clutch tight because I don't need any power. Then anytime I need to hold to add more power or more motion to the motorcycle, I release the clutch a little like this and then hold it again, so it keeps moving on a slow pace. So I'm maintaining a speed of only 10. So the speed is of 5 now, 5 kilometers per hour. Go further than the Mazda because of course he was going to pick up speed. Alright, so the traffic lights are green, but as you know, even if they turn red, so the one on my right is going back to Napulage, the one that continues to Sapporo at the new tax park to Kampala City Center, and then the one on my left is going to Makerere University, and it's the one that's right, so the Makerere University. University, I'm wandering there, and this is called Makerere Hill Road. Makerere Hill Road. So that in front of us is not shopping mall, but Ham Towers. Wandegea is just direct opposite Makerere University. And then continuing forward will be Makerere University to Wandegea, and then going onto my right will be the Gaddafi Road leading to the Gaddafi Mosque. The biggest mosque in Kampala. There is rolling in the road. So far you see, I'm holding the clutch tight. Further there, the Gaddafi Mosque, the biggest mosque in Kampala. One day we shall go and take a visit at the mosque. You will see a 360 view of Kampala after in the tower. So this is the Gaddafi Road. That's the Gaddafi Mosque. And then on my right there is the LDC, Law Development Center. where law students from Macquarie University take their classes. So continuing to the Gaddafi Mosque, you can try to go to Lugoba or back to the city center. But then for us, we're going to turn halfway the journey next to, is it Kibwa or Aga Khan? I'll see. And then we go to Chiteka Road, Chiteka Market. And those who want to board the buses, also it's the route to one of the bus parks, which is called Namaiva Bus Terminal, which you can also be accessed on the other side of the Gaddafi Mosque. There is the route to Namaiva. So one is the entry, the other is the exit. So here on the Gateway Coaches garage, we are turning to Chiteka Market. One of the reasons I don't use the Wandagea Road or the Wandagea House is because traffic officers at the Wandagea traffic lights and junctions have a habit of grabbing a motorcycle for no reason. Sorry, they always find an excuse, even if you have almost everything. And that's typical of Uganda traffic police. Oh, that's Namaiva, the route to Namaiva bus terminal. That is now the market. So I'm going to use the Emerald route and leave Uganda Road, then go back. I also try to avoid a lot of the city center because here there are guys who grab a motorcycle for no reason. But I do go there briefly in most cases, but sometimes to avoid is better. If you don't have any reason to go there, why should you? This place is known as traffic oriented place, so I wonder why some jam. Maybe that was just a heat, and it's clear because the cars are moving. Typical this alley to have traffic here. It's usually in the evening. So we're going to go up to Self Clinic. And also there's a lot of cars on back home. If you try to use possibly the city center, I avoid it unless I need it. Also the traffic officers are allowed the other cars to cut you out. But the borders over there are blocking the way. Young Marco. So I use this side of the clinic. I would want to go up there, but I want to go to the Nile Avenue where it's the double way. So this is a single way, that's why I have to cut this road here. And then the one up there was also a single way. Leading to the other side, there's this guy with a MacBook following me in the mirror. I've thrown in my indicators to the right. Right there it goes. So that leads back to one again. And then down there is YMCA, right at the junction that we passed. And then here is where that famous video of this guy who was robbed in school time was passing for traffic officer. They're looking at commuter taxis, checking if they have the licenses and driver permits. Those taxi guys think they pay a lot of tax, that's why they misbehave on the road. One of the guys gave that reason, which is not the case. But me, the guy who works in the office pays a lot more taxes than the taxi partner. So the government tries to make sure they pay also a fair price, same as the person in office. So the person in office pays 30% pay as you earn, then also NSSF and some were increased even the amount of money. At the end of the day, they are paying about 45%. You know? And also they have, if you're in town, CCTA demands for 150,000 sitting allowance per year, which is paid in 2 portions. So these taxi guys were levied to pay 120,000 per month, on top of the insurance money, that which is called third party, and the license to carry passengers, CSP. So this here is the Nakapero Road. Used to what so first one route to the State House. This is National Hotel. Yeah, and it is called the Nile Avenue. Nile Avenue. And then down there, ahead of me is Grand Imperial Hotel. Not Imperial Royal. Those are two different. We shall see Imperial Royal. And then on my left there is the Sheraton Hotel. So this is the Grand Imperial Hotel. Owned by a recent race car driver. This is Peak Hotel. Peak Hotel. And then this here is the Kampala Sheraton Hotel. Kampala Sheraton Hotel. So the one before was Grand Imperial, and then the one to this junction that we're coming to after the Sheraton Hotel is called the Imperial Royal Hotel. The Imperial Royal. And then this here is Kampala Arena, the NTV side, NTV Uganda. Kampala Arena Hotel. Owned by the Nation Media Group of Kenya. and TV2. Then here is driving with flashes. Right, so it will take this road back to right there is a new parliamentary hall being constructed, and then this is the new building for Ministry of Finance, its extension, and then Kampala Serena Hotel or what? Then the Imperial Royal. Then this is the Uganda National Bureau of Statistics. So we'll be taking that, and we shall end our tour on Theatre La Bonita. So that is Theatre La Bonita, the home of the Ebonies. Ebonies is a drama club or an acting group. And then there is Magic Factory. So we'll end our tour here.